If you're looking for a dash cam with more features than just recording the road, this TopExplor 4G LTE dash cam has quite a few things going on. It has a 2K front camera, 1080p interior camera, GPS, parking monitor, and the ability to connect to the U-Box Pro app. Now I want to be upfront about something with this review. I do not have cellular service activated for my truck. The dash cam itself, however, works perfectly well as a normal dash cam without the service. It comes with a pre-installed 4G SIM card that can be activated immediately for a 7-day trial. After the trial ends, you can either subscribe to continue using the service or switch to your own SIM card, eliminating the need for their data plans. The data plans are reasonably priced. Installation is pretty simple. This one uses the OBD2 power cable, so there's no complicated wiring involved. You plug it into the OBD2 port, run the cable up to the camera, mount the camera, and you're ready to start recording. It's designed for most vehicles from 1996 and newer with a compatible OBD2 port. You really get two cameras with this setup. The front camera records in 2K, the interior camera records in 1080p. The interior camera also has 4 infrared lights for low light recording, and the camera can rotate 180 degrees so you can position it pretty much where you need it. Here's a look at some front camera footage. The 2K resolution gives you plenty of detail for everyday driving, and this is the kind of footage you're really going to want if you ever need to document an accident or something that happens on the road. And here's what the interior camera sees. The infrared lighting is designed to help when the cabin gets dark, so this isn't limited to daytime use. The adjustable and rotating lens also makes it easier to get the coverage you want inside the vehicle. The camera also includes a 32 gig SD card so you can record your driving locally without needing a cellular subscription. That's actually how I'm using it for this review. It also has a parking monitoring system that uses radar, AI human detection, and a G sensor. Just keep in mind that the more advanced remote alert functions require the camera to have an active cellular data connection. With an active 4G connection, you can use the U-Box Pro app for things like remote live viewing, GPS location, route history, and instant alerts. You can use the built-in SIM with the data plan, or you can use your own compatible 4G SIM. If you're looking for a straightforward dash cam that you can install without hard wiring, this gives you quite a bit. You get 2K front recording, 1080p interior recording, infrared night vision, GPS, 32 gigs SD card, and OBD2 power. And if you want the additional remote monitoring features, you have the option of adding cellular service later. The nice thing for me is I can use it as a regular dash cam, but I don't have to connect or commit to a monthly cellular plan. But I still have the option for all those features if I need them.